Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. It gives me immense pleasure, honor and privilege to come to this great place of the Honorable Minister of Sports, Culture, Honorable Dr. Ramesh Tavdakar. A great man, a good friend of mine, who is recipient of the doctorate degree from our American USA based, the American University, and also from the United Nations University for Global Peace USA. This is my second time coming to this great place, and in the last time when I had come over here, I have witnessed all the good works of his housing for the underprivileged, housing for the downtrodden people, housing for the people, those who are marginalized, and he has done a great work for all of them. Hence, our Board of Governing Council in USA, which consists of the governor in 120 countries, have honored him today with a great award, the Human Excellence Golden Award today, and we have honored him today. It's a great privilege for me that this country has great personalities like our Mananiya Prime Minister Modi ji, a great man. Because of him, we all NRIs are getting very good name and good fame in America and in whole of the world. Also, it was a privilege for me to honor our Prime Minister Modi ji last year in Jammu and Kashmir with a very special award. The name of the award was Atal Nobel Peace Award, which I have given for the first time here in India on the name of our former Prime Minister, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who was a great visionary, a great global leader. And on his name, we wanted that the coming generation should remember the name of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. On his name, that award I had given for the first time here in India to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji in Jammu and Kashmir. It really gives me immense pleasure today that the people from all over parts of India have gathered over here celebrating this very precious occasion. I express my gratitude and thanks to you all. I always consider those who are seated here on the dais, we are not the VIP. Every one of you are the VIP. Because of you VIP, we service provider are getting chance and privilege to come here and to serve you all. My gratitude and thanks to the former Chief Minister of Goa, former Health Minister of India, Pawarji, Madam Pawarji, and all the distinguished members, advocates, all the distinguished members and personalities, those who are seated over here on the dais, and also the present Chief Minister of Goa, the present Assembly of Goa, both the elected leaders from the opposition or from the ruling party of India. We give all honor and all glory and all thanks to Almighty God, that God has given us to be born on this country, India, a great India. I know the value of India because my grandfather was a freedom fighter. My grandfather was a freedom fighter from Tirunelveli, from Tamil Nadu, who was arrested by the British government. He was sent to Kalapani jail, Andaman jail, Port Blair jail in the year 1911. So I know he was in the jail for 30 years. I know the value of freedom. So let us all, with unity, make our India the most most sustainable developed and the most great country in the whole world. With this, God bless you all, God bless you all, God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.